Hi, I'm Luke Lango, and this is Investor Place Quick Picks, where we communicate to you some of the market's best investment ideas in just 10 minutes.
America's leading innovation investor, Luke Lango's Investor Place Quick Picks.
Today, we're going to talk about one of my favorite consumer brand stocks that I think represents one of the best long-term buy and hold situations in the market. The name of the company? Celsius, ticker CELH. Now, Celsius makes energy drinks, and as you may have noticed, I'm a Celsius customer myself. Now, no, this is not a promo. I'm not getting paid to do this. I have no connections with the management team, the company whatsoever, but I absolutely love their energy drinks. And I don't think I'm alone. I think there is a massive shift happening in the energy drink market from the traditional incumbents in the space, the Rockstars, the Monsters, the Red Bulls, to a new generation of more relevant energy drink companies. And at the epicenter of that, at the forefront of that, the biggest name in that space, Celsius. And that's why I think Celsius stock has enormous upside potential over the next 5 to 10 years, because I do see this company displacing the likes of Monster, which is a $60 billion company. Celsius is just a $6 billion company. Long-term upside here is enormous. Here's a deeper look. So the energy drink category is like one of the best categories in the beverage market. It's super big and it has a very durable, strong growth rate that's persisted for a long, long time. And that really shouldn't be surprising because consumers love to feel energized, right? Whether you're drinking an energy drink before a workout to get pumped up, get an extra pump in, get some more energy in that, or you're drinking an energy drink in the afternoon to stay focused on work and get dialed in, or whether it's just on a weekend, you need a little pick-me-up and you just kind of got to get an energy drink in you. Energy drinks are a very important and popular part of society. But the companies that have traditionally sold us energy drinks, Monster, Red Bull, Rockstar, they aren't cutting it these days. And they aren't cutting it because they're out of sync with the modern consumer, right? The modern consumer is hyper concerned about health. They want to eat right. They want to look right. They want to work out. They want to be active and fit. They don't want to put junk in their body. But energy drinks are literally the opposite. They're counterintuitive to that secular lifestyle movement. Energy drinks are loaded with sugar. They got all this crap in there. They're very caloric. They're poison. A lot of people call them poison, and that's really not too much of a misnomer. So we're in this weird point, right? We're at this weird point where people love energy drinks, but they do not like the type of energy drinks they're being served by the giants in the industry. And this discrepancy is where Celsius comes in. So what is Celsius? I mean, Celsius is what they call a functional, healthy energy drink. And what that means in the little details is there's no sugar, there's no preservatives, none of the crap that goes in all the other energy drinks. There are only 10 calories in this entire bottle. You have 7 essential vitamins. It's gluten-free, it's kosher, it's non-GMO. Now, they also say that when you take it before a workout, it helps accelerate your metabolism and burn body fat and calories. There are studies to corroborate that. But, and I say but here because everything I just said sounds great, and that's all it needs to do is sound great. Because you have to understand, the consumer is a sucker for branding. And these guys, they got the branding. I mean, it literally says Live Fit below the name on all of their bottles. Their website shows athletes working out, being healthy, being fit. This is the brand that consumers want to aspire to, want to be a part of. They want to be a part of this movement and partake in it. So, what's the modern consumer going to do if they walk into a grocery store and there's a Celsius and there's a Rockstar? They're going to skip the Rockstar and buy the Celsius. And that's already happening, right? Celsius has reported 6 straight quarters of 50% or greater revenue growth and somewhere around, I think it's either 11 or 12 straight quarters of 20% plus revenue growth. This company is on a hyper growth trajectory. They are rapidly gaining share in the energy drink category, and this trend is not going to slow down anytime soon. Basically, the only thing holding Celsius back is distribution, and they're landing big distribution agreements right now. So they're going in more grocery stores, they're going in more convenience stores, they're selling more online, they are going global. They're getting this distribution footprint out. There will come a time when there will be equal footing in distribution between Celsius, Rockstar, Monster, Red Bull, all those drinks. And at that point in time, this drink right here that you may or may not have heard of before will outsell Monster, will outsell Rockstar, will outsell Red Bull. This is the energy drink of the future because it is the one energy drink in the market that perfectly matches and meshes with the modern consumer. To that end, the upside in Celsius stock is really, really big because, as I said earlier, Monster is a $60 billion energy drink empire. This is a $6 billion company. 6 billion, 60 billion. That's a 10x delta. And that 10x delta is Celsius's and your 10x opportunity. Now, there's probably actually never been a better time to buy Celsius stock because the stock just tanked 15%, more than 15% on a secondary offering that was priced below the market. Okay, now it's not good to see secondary offerings below the market, but they happen all the time with hypergrowth companies. And in my experience, they are almost always tremendous buying opportunities, right? What happens is the company prices a secondary at a discount to very easily raise funds. They take those funds to accelerate the growth trajectory via acquisitions and investments into the business. And then a few quarters later, the fruits of those investments start to show up in the numbers via supercharged growth rates, and those supercharged growth rates re-energize the investor base, and boom, the stock rebounds with vigor. I saw it happen in Shopify, I saw it happen in Square, I saw it happen in Roku. I've seen it happen so many times across so many different hypergrowth stocks. I really don't think this one's different. This time is not different here. So this right now, the secondary sell-off in Celsius stock is a fantastic buying opportunity into what I believe is one of the best consumer brand stocks to buy and hold for the next several years. Well, that's all we have for this edition of Investor Place Quick Picks. I hope you like what you saw. If you did, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, smash the like button, or if you'd like to read, come over and visit us at investorplace.com, where we have some of the market's best analysis. Until next time, cheers and happy investing to all.